Welcome to Quantum X Trades. We have taken a long break, but we're back and we've had a great bull run. We are now at 63K, previously at around 73, which has been great. So we're going to have a short summary on BTC, and we'll look at a couple of altcoins. All right, so on a daily time frame, we have had the following. We've had a seemingly three-wave pullback here. We've had a reaction up to there, and we are trying to determine where price or the markets are heading. All right, so let's drop down to the lower time frame. So let's start with 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, we've had the following. So this looks like it has been impulsive, you know, from here to there. Then this is what some structure that we have here. So on a lower time frame, I'm expecting price to make one more move to the upside and expecting some sort of, correction before we continue to the upside. Of course, this is all speculation. We might not know what, the markets may do, but we have to take it one step at a time. So this is what we are currently expecting. So for example, from where we are, I'm not expecting markets to break, for example, this area here. This will invalidate a move to the upside, not for long term, but short term. For example, I might be expecting a move like that, but if we drop down and, tap into this, then this move will be invalidated. Then I'll have to reevaluate my analysis, right? Okay. We have actually shown this better in our group. We have a group, Quantum X Trades Planet. Feel free to join. It will be linked in the description. All right. So we have shown this. This is like a small map to help you navigate the market. So we have had 1, 2, 3, 4. This structure we're in is like wave 4. We're expecting a wave 5 to come a little bit higher. Then from there, we're expecting a pullback and a continuation to the upside. And these are the levels that you'll be looking out for. For example, if we break this low at 62,900, the support might be expected in this support zone, right? I've put in a guideline support zone if we break 62,907. If we stay above this level, then we are expecting price to push higher, right? And if we push higher, that means we'll be getting something like this on a 4 hour, right? On a 4 hour. And if we can get this move and a correction like that, that would be a good signal for a continuation to the upside. So this is the overall structure, like intraday, what I'm expecting in the near future. Feel free to pause the video at some point or join our Telegram channel, and you will see this chart is available. You'll be able to see the targets and compare with your TA and check which prices are being respected, which supports are being respected, and which resistance is being respected, and you make your judgment. Okay, so currently, as you can see, we tested this range, right? So we cut through it again, and we are currently finding support. So if we turn this into support, then we might have another move to the upside. So this time we might even break 65. All right. Okay. So this is basically what I'm expecting on BTC. One more move to the upside, and we'll see what the correction gives us. If it breaks, of course, this is a guideline. You can check this chart on what to do if this current resistance or support, here is broken. But overall, I'm expecting price to continue to the upside. Let's look at the bigger perspective, which is the weekly. So I have a chart, which is this one, okay? Overall, our target is around 96K, okay? But the condition of us getting there is we must find support above 65,290. So we should break this, turn it into support, and hoping that we have enough momentum to break the most important level, which is 73,571. And if we can break this and turn this area to support, this is what will take us to higher levels. Otherwise, we might even go down. But for us to continue this uptrend to the all-time high, like the 80Ks and the 90Ks above 100, this is the condition that has to be fulfilled before we can see those levels. So this is what I'm looking for. So far, what I had shown you just now, right, on a 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, what I'd shown you on a 1 hour time frame, this, if you realize, this is 65,400, and what I'm showing you is around, on a weekly time frame, it's around 65,290. So if we can break this current high that we have on a 1 hour time frame, this level, actually it's here. So if we can cut right through it and turn this into support, then I'll become very bullish, because if we turn 65,290 into support, then we are likely to hit 73. We're likely to test this area. And if we cut right through it, even better. And if we turn it into support, that will be a signal to what they call, longing to the moon or something like that. All right, so that's about basically about BTC. Yeah, I'll observing if we ever find support above 65. All right, so on PHB is a very good coin. We have done some TA. If you want this chart, you can join our Telegram group, and yeah, you find it there. All these targets are there. So we have had let me go to daily. So on the daily time frame, of course, we have had a 3-wave pullback, right? So from there, we have this, and now we're having this right here. Okay, so assuming that this is the bottom, right? Let me make it a little bit thicker and change the color to something like white, I guess. White will do. Why is it not changing? White. Okay. So for PHB, we have A, B, and expecting C to come. Let's see. C should be around these areas. Let me quickly use, let me check where we're likely to land. Yeah, so we're likely to, these two red targets that we have, this is where I'm expecting it to kind of, slow down and correct again. Going to the lower time frame, of course, we have had the following. We have had, WX, and we had that. After that, we had a correction, and now we're in an impulsive wave. And I'm liking the fact that, let's drop down to the 1 hour so that you see what I'm talking about. This looks very impulsive to me, in the sense that this can be wave 3, right? Wave 3, so 1, 2, that is wave 3. And if you go further down, we also have a start of a start of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this can be, I don't know, an ending diagonal or something like that. But ultimately, right? Ultimately, I'm expecting price to get into this range before we can see a correction on PHB. Okay, so for the meantime, we're heading in this region marked C, yeah, between these two target areas. So PHB looks good. Retracement is expected in this range. Okay. So that's about PHB. Let's see. All right, and I also like this token BIM. BIM is great, and this pattern that it has formed here has had me excited. Okay, this looks like a leading diagonal, which has been marked as A. We have a correction. So here there are two things. We can get a correction like this, okay? We might even dip some more. But I know that after this correction is done, we are expecting a good move to the upside. So I have my beads on this one, okay? We're likely to get a good move to the upside. Not going all the way, and I don't know if it will go all the way up, but I'm expecting this move. So my plan would be to be averaging my position, and this is the invalidation area. If it breaks this low, then I'll have to abandon this move in the shorter time frame to the upside. But I'm very excited about this move. Any correction, support, I'm buying to the upside. I've already bought actually at the current level, and I'll be adding to my position. And if it breaks this level, I'm out. I'm getting out. But this looks very good. Okay, so we'll be observing it. This chart is in our Telegram group. Feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Okay. All right. So we also have XRP. XRP, according to the technique that I use, of course, which I won't disclose here, XRP has become bullish right at this level, which I've marked green, and expecting this red area to be respected. Okay, I'm not expecting price to break this area and expecting a move to the upside on XRP. So this is what I'm observing. So I've actually bought, and my stop is exactly at the red. This has become very bullish. XRP is, yeah, it should be moving in the next couple of hours to the upside. So yeah, check it out. I've also been looking at MATIC. MATIC has been slow, you know, it's been missing in action, but this coin will soon explode. Yeah. It hasn't done much of, you know, impulsive waves, but we have had, yeah, so we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So this level where we are here looks like this has reached its bottom. And why do I say so? If you zoom in, right? If you zoom in, it has had a good correction, okay? So we have this 1, 2, 3. So this looks like a good bottoming, like completion of the corrective structure. And from here, against this level here, I'm expecting MATIC to start its move to the upside, okay? All right, these I'll have to redefine the targets. These were made a long time ago, but I'm keeping an eye on MATIC. You can get in spot, you can get in futures, depending on your trading strategy. Okay, but we are yet to break it down on a lower time frame, like 4 hours and 1 hour, to see what is happening. But I'm expecting this to start moving very soon. All right, guys, so for today, I think it's enough. Please feel free to join us in our Telegram group. We've looked at BTC, what we're expecting in a shorter time frame. I've looked at PHB, which is doing well. There are targets that we're waiting for to be tested, and we'll see what happens after the correction. We have BIM, which looks very good as well. On a daily time frame, actually, I didn't show this on a daily time frame. It also looks good. We had a 3-wave corrective structure, and expecting it to start moving from around these levels to the upside. These targets below, these are the worst case scenarios. If things get sour in the markets, that's where I'll be looking for, you know, buying. But currently, I'm assuming that this level is holding, and not expecting this level to break anytime soon. And I feel that support, we have the support or the bottom is in, and we're expecting this coin BIM to start slowly gaining momentum. All right, guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe, share the video, and again, we have a Telegram channel. It's called Quantum X Trades Planet. All these charts are posted there. Feel free to, you know, invite friends, join, and discuss crypto. All right, cheers. And and goodbye.